It is 4:10 in the morning right now. Pretty early. There's like no one here. We're the first boat out. I'm really tired. I think I'm gonna try to do everything in Bohol in a day. I gotta rent a motorcycle, find a place, check in early. Yeah, long day, guys. Action-packed day. Like you can actually, it's a sign, and I can't sit outside, so I'm stuck inside, I guess, but hopefully I can get some sleep, and it is what it is. I'm just glad I'm on the right boat, I think. So, it is packed though. I think they slept like 3, like I was supposed to leave at 5, it's like 6 already, so I think they just put the boats together. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the island, I guess. So. We are looking for a place to stay. We finally made it here. It's kind of nuts. It seemed like a really long drive. How much did they pay? Hello, do you guys have room for rent? Do you have any rooms for rent? No? Awful. Okay, thank you. Morning, do you guys have any rooms available?
Unfortunately, we're fully booked, sir. Let me double check if there are any changes.
I'll tell you what, guys, it's been a crazy long day. First off, we couldn't find a room, so I just got tired of walk. I walked for like an hour and a half, and all the rooms are booked. So I was like, dude, I'm so tired of walking. I just rented a motorcycle to the Tarsier Sanctuary. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's worth. Guys, I am freaking exhausted. I haven't showered yet. I just want to shower.
So this is the map. Since they don't like to be fed, they have their own food. They can travel 1.5 kilometers at night hunting for food, but they usually come back. Since they are territorial, they usually come back in the same place, same area, but different ways sometimes, as long as they are not disturbed during the day. So they can consume 10 to 12 insects. This is the preserved body of the baby. Baby, only this big, newborn baby. Size, thumb size only. But the adult size only grow this big. This is the adult size, all grown tarsiers. They're bigger in pictures, but not in person.
You can see 4 tarsiers. This is the first tarsier. Be careful. You can see it.
No. Here, move it up. Oh, it's up. There, straight up. On the leaf.
You got it? That.
Oh, yeah, I get it. No. Oh, okay. Cool, thank you. That's all. Oh, yes. That was kind of what it was. I don't know, it was kind of bad. They don't let them run loose or nothing. So they keep like 4 to 6 of them in there. It's cool to see, but kind of sad. I mean, it brings in a ton of people and it brings in work. So you gotta look at that. It was interesting. We're just gonna take a second here because I've been like nonstop go. But but I'm glad I did it. They're really cool animals. They say it's like hundreds of acres, but then it's just like sitting there in this small area. So, but yeah, you guys be the judge of it. You know, I'm just trying to experience it all. Off to the next spot.
Did I mention how f***ing rough these roads are? Oh my god, dude. Bumpy as f***. If you take your eyes off the road for 1 second, you can hit a huge pothole. Because FYI, if you're in the motorbike field, guys, I don't know if I can do this. It's super f***ing windy, and it's about to start to rain. I do not want to drive back on these curvy roads in the rain. There's no way. That's so dangerous. This better be the most glorious mountains ever. I have to spend the night in the middle of nowhere.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Guys, I am like 10 levels of toast right now. Oh. I'm too freaking tired to move, bro.
Tickets, sir. The same ticket to go down.
Okay. Man, I really hope this is worth it. I got like 50 pounds of stuff with me yet. Okay, it's not too bad, I don't think. Maybe, I don't know. I'm carrying all my shit. Almost 2 hours to come to this top of this hill. So, there's a lot of expectations right now. And I just have like, from riding the motorbike, just like have like dirt caked on me. But yeah, guys, if you don't like a little rough riding, it's better to just get the tour bus. Let's see this halfway. Super windy. We made it.
Yeah. He doesn't like my pictures.
Fine. Let me see what you guys have so far. What you don't like.
Alright, let's get out of here, guys. I did it. Chocolate Hills. Next time, just get the tour. Then you can just chill. Looks like we're getting a storm. So I kind of want to get out of here.
Harder for me to go down.
When I got back from Chocolate Hills, I thought there would be places available. There's no places available. They actually raised all their prices. I'm just gonna call it a day and ride the boat back and find a place in Cebu because this is insane and I'm absolutely exhausted. I need some rest and I'm ready to eat like a good meal and I'm just having a Coke Zero. But yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna try to find a taxi and get on one of the last super jets and get on back to Cebu. That is the end of Bohol. All in all, I think Bohol is pretty good, but I'll talk about later with less noise. I thought I could do it all, but I couldn't. I just got beaten down. Driving to Chocolate Hills was absolutely insane. That road was so rough, and it started to rain. It didn't help, like I took the windiest road too. The whole day was supposed to only take like 5 hours. That's like me reaching all the points. Waterfalls. I had 2 waterfalls scheduled, diving with sardines and then swimming with whales. And then I allotted like another 2-3 hours. I was gonna spend the night because I just want to get out of here because I'm freaking tired. Beyond tired, guys. Absolutely beaten down. I smell so bad. I don't think I've ever smelled this bad in my life. Hello, need my ID? Thank you. Do I need to go here? Thank you, Paul. All right. Finally. Doing this in a day was pretty crazy.